Good morning, Facebook friends. It's Nathan Pratt here again. Pratt's Expert Roofing and Claim Specialist. Just wanted to take a couple minutes this morning to make another educational video and try to inform you guys on some of the more important things. Let me get my phone adjusted here. Time out. Some of the more important things when it comes to the insurance process and all this stuff that we do. And this morning I want to touch on and talk about the importance of choosing the right insurance carrier. This is a big one, guys, and I know that there's going to be people who's going to watch this and they're going to take my advice, and there's going to be probably more people that don't watch it or watch it and say and just kind of take what I'm saying lightly. But all that being said, it is one of the more crucial things that you'll do. It's one of the more crucial purchases you'll make regarding any type of insurance, because that's the one, your homeowner's insurance is you want it to be there when you need it, all right? And when you suffer a loss, you want it to pay the way it's supposed to pay and pay adequately. And you don't want to have your insurance company play games and things of that nature. So that being said, I run into people all the time who are with certain companies, and they'll say, "Oh, well, I've been friends with the agent. I know the agent, and we've been close and friends for 50 years, and we've been with them for 50 years." And like, I just got to now where I just tell the homeowners, the claims department don't give a crap who you know. They don't give a crap who you, how long you've been with them. They could care less, and it doesn't mean jack squat when it comes to an insurance claim. Okay. In this video, I'm fixing to name off some insurance carriers that are very good, and I'm not going to name the ones that are very bad, but I'm just going to say it like this. They are nationally advertised, huge companies that say they're going to take care of you and they're going to be there and you're in good hands and all that kind of stuff. See where I'm going with that? But, the bigger, nationally advertised carriers and stuff, I mean, I'll be honest, they're terrible. And probably 80% of the homeowners that we talk to are with one of those two companies. And some of the tactics and things that they're doing to avoid paying claims in full are borderline illegal. And it's to the point to where they've kind of got our hands tied on stuff. And if homeowners don't start going the legal route, they're going to eventually not pay for anything. And that's what your coverage is there for, to pay for, covered losses or whatever. Storms, or it's what insurance is for, to indemnify you, to make you whole again, and to get your property fixed and restored back to pre-loss condition when something happens. Okay, but this morning I'm going to name off several carriers, and I just want to encourage you guys to check these guys out. And they may be a little more expensive on the premium, but last time I checked, typically you get what you pay for. And even though it's a little more expensive and it might cost you a little bit more right now, it'll save you thousands and thousands of dollars in the long run. And the first one I'm gonna name is Central Insurance. Man, what a great company. I've never had an issue with them. Their adjusters are super cool. They're easy to work with. So Central Insurance is one, and you typically got to go through a broker, or you can call them directly. Number two is Travelers. Travelers Insurance is a great company. They do a fine job, and they're one of the other ones that their adjusters are super cool. They're easy to work with and easy, and it's just, they come to help. They're not there to try to nickel and dime people. They truly come to help. The third one I'm going to name is Farmers Insurance. Man, Farmers Insurance, they're awesome right now. And I think it's going to stay this way with these three. for a very long time, and especially with Central, because, man, I've been doing this a long time, and those guys have been great from the time I started, and they're still great. We got probably over 100 square approved yesterday from Central. But Farmers is amazing as well. The Farmers claims, like, I've worked with them so much, typically they don't even come out. They just take my report and pay for the roof. So those three companies right there, and I'll say another one that's pretty good. Auto Owners has always been good, and you know, now with them you kind of got to watch, because once your roof or your property gets to be a certain age, they like to only pay the actual cash value. But other than that, they're really good, and their adjusters are super cool and easy to work with as well. So I would check those four out, man, and like really switch from these moron big time insurance companies, man, because I'm telling you, you're wasting your money. You're paying these guys a ton of money, and when you need it the most, you know, for the homeowners insurance side, you're going to be surprised at the pushback that you get from these companies to try to get your damages paid for. And I'm simply making these videos to educate you guys, educate homeowners. If you watch this, please like and share. These will also be on my YouTube channel, but I was a licensed agent for a very long time. I know both sides of this thing, man. I know how to speak to these adjusters, and I'm technically not supposed to talk about it, but I know how an insurance, you know, I can look at an insurance policy and read it and like understand what it's talking about, and I know what's in there for the most part. So, you know, it's kind of a dual thing, you know, and it ties right into what we do. But guys, and also when you check into these companies, don't forget to add law and ordinance or ordinance of law coverage to your policy. It's pennies on the dollar what you pay for it. Like, it might be like $15 a year extra, you know, and that's another thing that'll save you thousands of dollars in the long run. My name's Nathan Pratt. If I could be of any assistance to you and in my company, please reach out. My number is 706-264-6733. Hope you have a great day, guys, and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.